Anna and Walter are young, single, and in love. They've got good jobs, fabulous futures, a magnificent new home that they bought for a song. Who says they can't have it all?
It's gonna be fun fixing it up. You'll see. Look, this is an old house. It's gonna need some work. $5,000?
That's just a deposit.
A little work. When do you think you can start?
Just as soon as your check clears.
A little care.
Do you really buy this house?
Yes, he did.
A little imagination, and it's gonna be great.
Oh, no! Mr. You're out! Hey, Mr. Fielding! Don't worry about a thing! Okay, guys! Let's do it!
The Money Pit. If they've got what it takes, it's going to take everything they've got. Coming this Christmas from Universal Pictures.